Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use YouTube Music app in 2025. So this is going to be an ultimate beginner's guide. Make sure you watch it till the end to learn everything about this. First of all, navigate to Play Store, go to the search bar, type in YouTube Music, hit enter and install the YouTube Music application. Now, if there is an update available, update the application to make sure you don't face any problems and enjoy the latest benefits. Now, after your app gets installed, simply click on Open button available just right here. After you click on Open, YouTube Music will open up. Here, you'll have to basically sign in using your user credentials. After you sign in, you'll be on this page. So, this is the home page of YouTube Music app where you can easily click on the search icon at the top right and search for any song that you want to hear. For example, I'm searching for After Dark. Now I can easily click on this song and this will play it instantly. Now, this is the music navigation bar. You can play or pause your music using this button, that is this one. You can go back or forward using these buttons. You can also shuffle your music or get it in loop by using these buttons. You can like this music if you want by clicking on the like button. It will also be added to your favorites. You can also go back to the previous song and like it if you want. You can also click on the save icon under playlist. Now choose under what playlist you want to save it. You can also click on plus new and this will create a new playlist. You can just name it anything you want. For example, I'm naming this playlist fun. You can also add description and choose the privacy of this playlist, whether you want anyone can search for and view this playlist, anyone with the link can view or only you can view. You can choose it and click on create and this will instantly create that playlist. You can also click on lyrics icon and this will show up the lyrics for that specific song if it will be available. You can also choose related and songs related to this song that is currently playing will be shown up. Now, you can click on up next and choose what songs you want to play after this. You can just drag and drop any of these songs. Now you can go back. After this, you also have some categories like podcast, romance, feel good, party, relax, sad, focus, sleep. So you can categorize music using these bars. Just navigate to any category and that will show up all the songs that will be in that category. Now, it will also show up top songs, radios, mixed, and your liked music will be available here. Now, you can click on samples icon and it will show up the samples for the music that will have. It will be like YouTube shorts. You can click on save to save it. You can like it. You can see the comments here. You can also navigate to YouTube shorts by clicking on this button. You can share it using the share icon and choosing a platform. You can play it. Click on three-dotted icon. You get the option to download it, start a radio with that music, report that music if it's inappropriate, or you can pin it to a speed dial. Now you can click on explore and explore various genres and categories for music that is available. There are new releases, charts, mood and genres, podcasts, top songs and different kind of musics available. Click on library icon after explore and this will show up your library. Here, your liked music and all the playlists you would have created on YouTube will appear just right here. So these are my YouTube playlist. I can click on liked music and it will show up all the music videos I would have liked on YouTube along with YouTube Music app. Now, you can click on plus new from here and choose to create a new playlist or new radio. After creating that playlist or radio, you can also click on upgrade icon at the bottom right and upgrade YouTube Music, with which you can listen to ad-free and offline music with your screen off. So, you can click on try 1 month for $0 or rupees and choose what kind of plan you want. Click on confirm, complete the payment and you would have successfully got your YouTube Music Premium. Now you can also click on your profile icon at the top right and get all these options, that is your channel, downloads, history, recap, paid membership. You can also switch account, navigate to settings and do settings for the app like notification, general, family center, privacy and data and different options. And after doing that, just click on any music that you want to play and it will instantly play that music. So that is how you use YouTube Music app in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.